Although there are several hundreds of Windows keyboard shortcuts, and of course it's impossible to know it all. So let me save you the trouble and bring you the ones that will help you through your everyday life. You might be thinking as to why you need to use Windows shortcuts if you can get by using a couple of mouse clicks. Then you need to watch this video to appreciate the difference. Let's begin, shall we? 1. Ctrl + C to copy. 2. Ctrl + V to paste. 3. Ctrl + X to cut. 4. Windows key + V brings up the clipboard. 5. Ctrl + Z to undo. 6. Ctrl + Y to redo. 7. Ctrl + W to close the current tab or window. 8. Ctrl + A to select all. 9. Ctrl + S to save. 10. Windows key + E opens up Windows File Explorer. 11. Win + I opens Settings. 12. Spacebar to play and pause audio or video. 13. Control + Print Screen takes a picture of your screen and puts it on the clipboard. 14. Press Windows key together with Shift + S on your keyboard. Then left-click and drag the mouse to capture any part of the screen. You can even do a screen recording. 15. Control + Shift + Escape. Open up the Task Manager. 16. Windows key + D to show or hide desktop. 17. Control + left-clicking on a link loads page in the Background tab. 18. Use Alt + Tab combination to switch between open windows. 19. Use Shift + Delete to permanently delete files without it going to the recycle bin. 20. Press and hold Control and use the plus or minus keys to zoom in or out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.